let's get started here. What's up, online shoppers? I've got a brand new tool that I want to try out. This is the Scott's Whirl manual hand spreader, and I'm really excited about this. Now you can use this for seed, for fertilizer, for ice melt, and for salt applications. It has usage not just in the fall and the spring, but also in the winter, which makes this a really versatile tool and a really great investment for your tool shed. Now this is brand new. It's still got the label on here, but I want to show you how it works. This is a handheld spreader, so you can hold it with your left hand and operate with your right. You've got this crank handle right here that you turn, and you can see when you turn it, there's actually a little propeller in here that spins that helps to move all of the particulate out of here and do a nice even spread. This is going to cover about 1,500 square feet in one application, from putting your product in here and then going around and spreading it. What's really nice about this is it's engineered for smooth coverage, so it's going to distribute everything really easily. So as long as you're just walking and turning at a really regular rate, it's going to cover everything in a nice even manner. As well, you have this adjustable arm support, because you're not holding it from up top, you're holding it from below. So you can see when I'm holding it, I've got my trigger right here that is going to control when I open the little container here. You can see when I turn this dial, I do like this and it makes an opening right here, and the more I turn the dial, the bigger the opening is right there. With a variable opening like this, the applications get a lot larger because you can apply products that have a larger particle size all the way down to something really small like grass seed or fertilizer. Now something else that's really cool about this is the way you hold on to it is like here. You've got your trigger right here for operating, and when you pull this trigger, it actually opens up the slot that's going to release all the particulate out as you are doing the hand crank like this. And as well, you have this really neat feature. This is an adjustable arm support. So as you're holding onto it with your hand, this actually is bracing the whiz right against your forearm. So now this probably would work better for someone who is right-handed because you've got the left hand hold and the right hand crank. I'm really happy that this arrived in the mail. It's definitely time to get working on the lawn to tip-top shape for summertime. And I really like the ease of use for this. It's nice, it's light, it's compact, it stores on a shelf, and it's going to do 1,500 square feet at a time. Just crank the handle and get your seed or your fertilizer or any of that other stuff spread really nicely. I think this is going to be a really great addition to my lawn care regimen of tools, and I'm excited to try it out. I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.